When I first started coaching people on Facebook ad, most of them did not have enough budget. Some of them were running at as little as $5 per day, but still they are doing great. Today I am going to give you some tips through which you can run a successful ad even with a small budget. Now the question comes, what calls as a small budget? If you are spending less than $50 per day or $1,400 within a month, it is called a small budget. The most common question I get, what should my daily budget be? Honestly speaking, if you are new to ad, you should start with small. Why? Because at the beginning you actually don't know which is going to work. So testing cheaply will save your money. Tip number 1. Spy on successful ads. If you don't have enough money to play with, then just go to Facebook ads library. Tools will help you to find out that ads runs by your competitor. Here what's to look for. Ads that have been running for a long time. Check their hooks, their visual, their style, their ad creative. If you find out any ads that is running for more than 15 days or 1 month, it is working. Don't reinvent the wheel. Use their structure, take inspiration and create something similar. But don't copy. Just inspired. Tip number 2. Don't test too many things at once. With a small budget, you must avoid testing too many ad creative. Suppose you are running ads on $10 per day and you are testing 10 creatives. Facebook might be using $1 or $2 per ad creative. This means slower result. So here's what to do. Don't test more than 2 creative. Be intentional. Add more creative when you got enough money. Small budget is equal to focus. Tip number 3. Use the right objective. Meta gives you many objectives such as brand awareness, traffic, sales, lead. But with a small budget, you should go with sales campaign. Here's what. If you select traffic campaign, Facebook will send all that customer who likes to click but did not buy. But with sales campaign, Facebook will find out those person who have intention to purchase your product. Tip number 4. Use no targeting. Meta is much smarter than all of us, so use it to get advantage. Go to Ads Manager, inside your ad set, choose location, choose age, but don't select any interest. This gives Facebook a huge audience to test. Meta AI will find out potential buyer for your product. We have tested it recently and the result was amazing. With a broad audience, Meta AI can work much smarter. Tip number 5. Messaging is the new targeting. Since you are not using interest-based targeting, your messaging is now becomes the most important targeting. So what to do? Call out your audience directly. Speak clearly to a specific type of audience. For an example, make a video. There will say directly to the people, hey moms, want to lose weight? Hey real estate owners, wants more clients? Hey business owner, wants to sell your product? Facebook can listen every word which you say on your video. Facebook can understand what you write on your ad copy. Then its AI will find out who matches to your audience. Your creative and messaging has become more important after Andromeda update. So if you follow these 5 steps, you will definitely get a good result with a small budgets. Start small, start simple. Let Meta AI do heavy lifting. If you have any question related to this, you can comment. Thanks for watching.